Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Ragi breakfast smoothie recipe. This dairy-free and sugar-free smoothie is loaded with fiber, protein and natural healthy fats. No banana or added sugar. Helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus ideal for weight loss and weight management. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon sprouted ragi flour. Into this, I'm adding in 1/4 cup water, and with a spoon, I'm mixing it really well. Ragi or finger millet is a highly nutritious whole grain and it is completely gluten free. Now the reason why I'm using sprouted ragi flour is that once ragi is sprouted, the vitamin C levels tend to increase and leads to easy absorption of iron into the bloodstream. Another important thing about ragi is that it is one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D. Ragi is packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acid and vitamin D. It has a good amount of iron, thus ideal for those with iron deficiency anemia. It is rich in fiber and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, hence ideal to include in your weight loss journey. Okay, now I have nicely mixed it and as you can see there are no lumps. Into my saucepan I'm adding in 1 cup of water. Turn on the flame and allow the water to warm up. Once the water is warm, add in the ragi. I have reduced the flame to the lowest and I'm mixing it really well. Slowly increase the flame. As it starts to boil, ragi will start to thicken. I'm also adding in a small piece of cinnamon for added flavor. You can also use cinnamon powder instead of cinnamon stick. Once it boils, reduce the flame to the lowest and allow the ragi to get cooked for another couple of minutes. And make sure that you are stirring it with a spoon so that nothing will stick to the bottom of the saucepan. Couple of minutes later, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. The cinnamon stick will give an amazing flavor to the smoothie, so try not to skip it. While the ragi is getting cooled, I'm getting ready the other ingredients. So I have about 7 to 8 or a handful of overnight soaked almonds and I'm peeling the almonds. It's always ideal to soak almonds overnight to help release the phytic acid content in almonds and also to help with better nutrient absorption. I have also went ahead and peeled and roughly chopped 1 medium-sized apple. Instead of apple, you can use any of your favorite fruit which is in season. Okay, now the ragi mix has cooled down completely and it is infused with the amazing flavor of cinnamon. If you prefer, you can remove the cinnamon stick and discard it. My blender is a high-speed blender, so I'm going to add this along with the ragi into my blender and blend it really well. It's just a matter of personal preference. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the overnight soaked and peeled almonds. It's very important that you use a good source of healthy fat like almond, as it will help in the assimilation of vitamin D, which is naturally present in ragi. Vitamin D absorption needs a good source of healthy fat. Next, I'm adding in the roughly chopped apple, 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that extra omega-3 antioxidants and fiber, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. I'm adding in 1/4 cup water and then add in the cooled ragi mix along with the cinnamon stick. Adding in 1 soft medjool dates. I prefer to use medjool dates as they are soft and easily blendable. And I'm going to blend this really well. Pour the thick and creamy ragi breakfast smoothie into a serving glass. I'm topping it with finely chopped overnight soaked almonds for added crunch. And my super healthy ragi smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy ragi smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.